In this video, we'll talk about the Tesla Model X refresh. We won't go into details of the material used for seats or any of the trim update. We'll focus more on the features and functionality. So this is a Tesla Model X refresh. The exterior is exactly the same with a change to the front bumper fascia and rear diffuser. As you enter the vehicle, the front doors are still automated. The only change to the front door are the trim, but major change is the way you open it. There's a button now instead of a lever. And for the Falcon Wing doors, nothing has changed. They open and close in the same manner. They have buttons located in the same location. So no changes here on how they open. Hopefully they fixed the problem of the Falcon Wing door rubbing on the rear panel. You also have your open and close switch on your B-pillar. You can control your Falcon Wing doors as well as your front door from the center display, as well as from your key fob and your phone key. As far as keys goes, instead of just having key fob that only used to come with the Model X, now you get key card and the ability to pair it with your phone, making it as a key phone or phone key. So you use a key card that Tesla provide, and you sync it up with your phone, and now it acts as a key fob. So just like the Model 3 and the Model Y, if you're familiar with how those phone key works, this works in the exact same manner for the Model X. So you never have to take out your phone. It will automatically unlock as you approach and lock as you walk away. Driver's profile. So there's a lot more things you can customize with the driver's profile for the Model X, but it works the same way as it does in the Model Y and the Model 3. So there's no changes here other than that you can customize a lot more things and favorites. In addition, we heard that Tesla will be able to recognize the individual with the phone and update the profile as you approach the vehicle. Unlike the Model 3 and the Model Y currently, you actually have to select the driver's profile as you enter the vehicle. And with this display, you can also see that you can move the vent flow of air, just like in the Model 3 and Y. So this was expected. So no longer you have manual vents, you will control it from your display. A major change in this Tesla Model X refresh is the way you shift from park to drive to reverse. So it's a swipe of the screen on the left part of the screen. So up is to drive, down is to reverse, and push the P is to park. You also have access to controlling your shift by pushing on the touch sensitive button underneath the charger as a backup. As far as control, you also can have the vehicle recognize whether to put it in drive or reverse based on your parking situation. So if you turn this feature on, it will determine any object in front or in the rear and decide whether to put the car in drive or reverse. In this case, it put it in drive because the vehicle is parked in reverse in the parking space. And of course, you can override it if you need to. Another major change is the steering wheel. So now you have this half steering wheel called a yoke, and you control everything on the steering wheel that you used to control on the column. So your cruise control, your adaptive cruise control, autopilot, full self-driving, your signal, as well as your right and left turn signal, that is, your lights, headlights, high beam, as well as controlling your auto high beam on and off. You can also use the right buttons to honk your horn instead of pushing onto the center of the steering wheel. If you push on all the buttons, it will actually honk the horn too in panic mode. You can control your windshield wipers as well as the speed, or setting it to auto using the scroll wheel. The scroll wheel is straight from the Model 3 and the Model Y. Your windshield fluids, and also visualization. There's been some major changes with this Tesla Model X. So no longer you have the 3 split display, it's just one display, and it's a fixed display where you can see how much energy you're using and so forth. But it looks more in line with the Model 3Y display in the past. As for the exterior, again, nothing has changed. The front fascia has been updated with a new bumper. The lights are the same. The wheels has been updated to a different design. But overall, everything outside looks exactly like the current Model X. So let me know what your thoughts is on the refresh Model X. Do you prefer this exterior? Of course, the interior is more ideal. It looks more modern and in line with the rest of the lineup. Otherwise, thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe and catch you all next time.
Firmly press the center of the door handle and your door will swing open for you, welcoming you inside. It will close automatically when you press the brake pedal. When you want to get out, press this button with your thumb or use the touchscreen. To open a Falcon wing door, press the handle. Press here to close it from outside, or use this switch to open or close it from the inside. Your doors are automatic and intelligent, but you're responsible for ensuring their paths are clear before opening or closing them. Your Tesla is compatible with 3 different kinds of keys. Phone key, which turns your phone into your Tesla's key, key fobs, and backup key cards, which you should keep with you whenever using phone key. We'll focus on phone key here. Use one of your backup key cards to set up phone key. Make sure that your phone's Bluetooth is on, open the Tesla app, and then follow the prompts. Once set up, as long as your phone is with you, your car will automatically unlock as you approach it. Power on for driving when you press the brake pedal, and lock as you walk away. Tap here or swipe here to reveal your controls menu, which gives you quick access to functions you'll use most. Tap to create your driver profile so you can get comfortable and save your settings. Reach down to the side of your seat to adjust its position and lumbar support. To adjust the steering yoke, select it on the touchscreen and then use the left scroll wheel. Tap Mirrors and use the same left scroll wheel to adjust each side view mirror. Finally, tap to save these settings to your profile. Many other settings also save to your driver profile, so your Tesla will be just how you like it, even if you're not the only driver. You can link your profile to your phone key or key fob, and your car will automatically adjust to you as you approach it. To drive, simply buckle up with your phone key in the car, press the brake pedal, and then go to the touchscreen. Swipe down here for reverse, and up for drive. Tap here to put it in park yourself. Otherwise, your Tesla will automatically put itself in park once you come to a complete stop and unbuckle. Once your car is in park, you can get out. Your Tesla powers off once you get out and close the doors. If you'd like your Tesla to automatically shift itself out of park, go to Controls, Pedals and Steering, and then enable Auto Shift Out of Park. With this setting on, when you press the brake pedal while in park, your Tesla will automatically decide between drive and reverse according to your surroundings. The intended direction shows on the instrument cluster. Confirm that this is the direction you want, and just press the accelerator to go. Swipe on the touchscreen to select a different direction. Your cabin has a stockless steering column. Activate your turn signals by using these controls on the left side of the yoke. Press firmly to turn on your signal. It will turn off automatically once your Tesla detects that you've completed a maneuver like a turn, lane change, or taking an exit. You can also disengage the signal by pressing either turn signal control again. Press here to flash your high beam headlights and reveal light settings on the touchscreen. Press and hold to fully engage or disengage your automatic high beams. If you prefer to dim your high beams manually, tap here to disable auto high beam. Honk your horn by pressing firmly here on the right side of the yoke. Press here to wipe the windshield once and bring up the wiper controls on your instrument cluster. Use the left scroll wheel to select between wiper speeds or set them to auto. Press and hold on the wiper control to spray the windshield. Your Tesla has regenerative braking. As you lift off the accelerator pedal, your car will slow down while recapturing and returning energy to the battery pack. It can take a few miles to get used to it, but it maximizes efficiency and control, ultimately making it easier to drive. As you ease off the accelerator at low speeds, your Tesla will also apply the friction brakes to bring you to a gentle stop and hold you there. This makes stop-and-go driving possible using the accelerator pedal only. Of course, as with any other car, press the brake pedal when you need to decelerate rapidly. To charge, point the connector at your charge port and press here to open it, or press on the charge port door itself. The port glows white, indicating that your car is ready to charge. Firmly plug in the connector and the port will pulse green once charging begins. To unplug, press and hold the connector button and remove the connector once the port turns white. Your charge port door will close automatically. Even more information is available in your on-screen owner's manual. Open your controls menu and tap Service, Owner's Manual, and then search for any topic.